Hey, so I thought I'd come on here and give a little garden update. I've just spent the last 4 hours in the garden trying to get a lot of work done, and I wanted to share with you. So I got a couple beds cleaned up, laid fresh compost down, and planted with some cool weather plants. This one I have purple kohlrabi, green Brussels sprouts, and red cabbage. The bed got turned over and fresh layer of compost down, and then I needed to transplant these seedlings that were in a very small container, and they were starting to struggle, so I'm like, I just gotta get this done. Over in this bed is purple broccoli. That's one of the little seedlings. And green kohlrabi down here. And then I have lots of cilantro volunteers and some different kind of lettuces volunteers. These all just reseeded from last year. And I'm happy to let those stay. In this bed is Wakefield Cabbage. So lots of those, and a beet that popped back up from last year. And then in this one are onions, early grano onions. I got the circle garden kind of, I hand tilled it and turned over the soil, and I started to add compost, but I'm tired and cold now, so I'll finish this another day. And then up here in both of these beds is a celery. I believe it's called the giant Preg celery. And I went ahead and filled up the entire thing. Usually I plant flowers in these holes here in the cinder blocks, but I figure this celery will probably be ready for harvest by the time flowers are ready to go in. Hey kitty. She's been following me all day. You're a good girl. And then the chives are coming up. These come back every year, and they get really beautiful purple chive blossoms. I'm very excited for these. This bed I finished about a week and a half ago, so this has already been done, but I've got lots of good things starting to grow. So this is the garden as of right now. I have a lot of areas that I need to reshape the beds and add compost in, but just gotta do it little by little. Overall, I am very pleased with where we're at so far. Make sure to follow to watch this space transform into my secret garden. Ah! Are you ready for the garden to come back?
Yeah.
Me too.